Sensibility and practicality define the 2021 Subaru XV Crosstrek. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.